What up, party people? It's your...
Oh, is it going?
Yeah. It's your girls. Quincy, Patrick, Queen, and Amy. Half of the Amy sisters.
Yep.
And we are going to be trying Kentucky Fried Chicken, whatever it is.
It is the donut chicken sandwich. Okay, so.
I don't even know how.
I got an extra donut so you can see the difference.
Okay, so. Really? We're like trying to murder someone on camera, but whatever. All right. So we're just going to cut into this. What? Okay, now I will tell you. It smells delicious. I'm not even gonna lie.
It smells like donuts.
And so here's the deal. Like when we're talking about chicken sandwiches, I'm a huge fan of the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I can no longer eat Chick-fil-A. The bun isn't right. They have minimized the chicken on it. I can't do it. Like
you are exposing yourself as a non-expert right
oh,
now.
I am not.
Your credibility is flying out the window as we speak.
Oh my gosh! Just because, yeah.
I'm not going to say that the Popeyes is not fire, but for you to say the Chick-fil-A.
Ever since I've been back to Chick-fil-A, after eating Popeyes chicken sandwiches, I'm disappointed. And I love Chick-fil-A.
Now look. Have every Karen this side of the Mississippi jumping on you.
Karen, bring it.
Do not.
Bring it. Okay. All right, Quincy. So,
I want the small piece.
well, we're gonna share this.
Okay.
Okay. So it looks like it. Wow, this is messy.
Oh, just.
Okay. All right. So it's donut and chicken. Let's go. Oh wow.
Told you.
Oh, okay. Well,
You had a big bite.
I did have a big bite. I went for it.
Yeah. It's okay, Quincy. Your mom needs a moment.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it like this.
Wow. I didn't think that was gonna work,
Straight.
but okay.
I want to just.
I'm not mad at him.
Piece of the donut.
I'm not mad at him at all. Here, baby. I'm gonna take that. Okay. No, I need you to get the chicken too. Oh, dang. Okay. Dang, she went well. Right? Ah! Wow, you went all grown woman on that, Quincy. I'm proud of you. I bet your Uncle Darren's proud of you too.
Oh yeah, that's tearing up over here a little bit.
She gonna be chewing on that for a while. So Quincy, little Cocoa pageant queen, what do you think of this? Oh, you still chewing? Are you still gonna be chewing for a while? Oh. Oh, don't do the seafood. Huh? Seafood. So, all right. Oh, okay. So what do you think? Do you like it? The donut and the chicken together?
You can go first.
Okay. I'm now I just had dinner, otherwise I would have inhaled that. That is so good. I love how the donut and the chicken, I mean it's messy. I mean this is not something that you could just eat in the car. What? No, I don't need you to lick my fingers. Thank you. But this is not something that you could eat in the car while you were driving. Like that's just not gonna happen. It's a mess. But it's so good. Quincy, what'd you think of it?
I love it, but
You love it, but okay. But what?
it was messy. And why was there cream on the donut?
It's like frosting. Yeah, it's like frosting.
It's melted.
Yeah, like the glaze. So, do you want to try the donut by itself?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So there's a piece for you.
It's like a small cake.
Yes. So normally on Fridays, because it's Late Start Friday, Quincy and I go and have donuts. So we had donuts this morning. The line at Dunkin' was ridiculous. Like people lined up in the middle lane on 21st. Couldn't do it. So we went to Daylight. Donut was all right. Okay, yeah.
Oh, but how can the donut not be good, but the chicken sandwich and the donut work and it doesn't work and
Okay, now first of all, Uncle Darren's over here just tripping. Yes, I was talking a little bit of stuff.
Somebody was harassing me on my live feed last night.
Okay, it wasn't.
This.
Okay, now if you notice, I was not harassing. I was engaging, and if you notice, the more questions I asked, the more people popped up. I think at one point in time, he got up to like 14, 15 people.
And that's
that
because
was because of me. Yes,
I don't think
because of the engagement.
Do you need some water?
No.
So anyways, I wasn't harassing. So, but I was like, how can the donut suck and the chicken sandwich still be good? I don't know what it is, but when you put chicken in between these donuts, the donut tastes buttery and perfect. And then you eat the donut by itself and you're like, I just got some straight dry Hawaiian bread with a little bit of glaze on it. I do not like the donut at all. Like KFC needs to go ahead and come up with some, yeah.
Like I said, the donut is trash. The sandwich is
Man. Okay, what did you think about the donut?
The donut was.
Like like how many stars out of 10? Like 10 stars, the best donut you've ever had. 1 star, bleh.
I'm going to give it a 5.
A 5. All right, yeah. That's even kind of generous.
Actually, a 2.
She's usually spot on.
What?
2.
A 2?
That's more like
That was more like it. Yeah, I was gonna say 2. So yeah, donut definitely not. Chicken sandwich, amazing. But it's literally like cardiac arrest and diabetes all wrapped into one.
Oh, YOLO. First of all.
Okay, you only live once. Only applies if you're not dead at 45. You know what I'm saying? YOLO.
How many times have you ever heard someone say, you know what? I'm going to go get me a nice, healthy, nutritious meal. Let's go to KFC. Oh, I know. Never. So, you know what you go with. You know what you're getting when you go there.
Oh, God, I'm going to regret this, but I'm taking one more bite of this because.
Girl, eat your donut.
You want another bite? No? Anyways. Yeah, girl. Yeah, you got to try it. Come on. Come on, my Amy sister. Woo! And the crowd goes wild.
Hot mess. And
I think you're cute.
I know, right? Here, you can eat the one that Quincy and I ate on. We don't have no cooties.
Just try it. It's fire.
that looks super messy and
It is.
sticky. And
It is. It is. Like, you could never eat this in a car. It would be bad news. Right?
I love
Quincy, stop.
it works.
It does work.
Fire.
It does work.
I was kind of like irritated there's nothing else on the sandwich.
Yes, but you couldn't.
Thank
put anything
you
else.
for watching.
On there.
No. No, because you couldn't put lettuce, tomato, or anything. No,
It works.
Yeah, it does.
Messy as crap though.
It's so messy. Did you want to try the donut by itself?
No.
Here.
All I've heard people say is how nasty it is.
Here it
I don't
is.
want any
Here
part
you
of
go.
that. No.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Go somewhere.
Dang.
You'll love it.
Right
Yeah,
up
no.
there. This milk, is this milk spoiled? It's nasty.
Right. Ooh, yuck! Smell this. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's a damn for me. Tastes like how about tastes like Jason Momoa? Oh yeah. Right. Okay, Quincy, how about you on that chicken sandwich? She looks like she's about to pass out. She's so happy.
Are you on a sugar coma right now?
Right. Okay, so what's your rating?
More in the Luther King Jr.
What?
Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr. Okay.
He is right under God, Jesus.
Right, he is right under Jesus, so that's a pretty great rating.
Actually, I'm going to say jail.
What?
Jail.
Jail?
That means bad because you don't want to go in jail.
For the donut?
For the donut? Okay.
The donut wants to go to jail.
The donut wants to go
somebody
to
should
jail.
go to jail for calling it a donut.
Yeah.
They should do.
All right, so we've come to that part of the show. It's sponsorship time.
Judge it with your.
Right. So we've got GERMdizzle's custom. Oh, yep, that's right. Make racism wrong again. So it is GERMdizzle's custom tees for all your vinyl sublimation and screen printing
Vinyls.
needs.
Look at Amy back.
Oh man!
In your
Ma-
face.
In your face.
Kombucha
Yep.
on my face.
My girl right
Yeah, that's right. We got Amy G's kombucha, please.
Ready right now?
Oh dang! I just came up with the slogan: Amy G's kombucha, please. Oh snap! Give me my marketing deal.
Like it should be
Now,
on a t-shirt.
give me my marketing. Give me my marketing dollars. Okay, so anyways.
Amy's custom, please.
And kombucha, please. Amy G's, kombucha, please. Oh, okay. So anyways, and then of course, Style Obsession, Sola Salons, Amy B, and Sweet Six. So,
And also,
I do not have
something
my lip sense on tonight.
I have something to say.
Hi. What? What else do you have to say? Okay, tell them about your school. Okay.
My school, no. It's about, should I do about my pageant?
Yeah. Do
Do it about,
pageants? Yeah. Uh-huh.
my pageant is,
What?
March 28th.
No. Your next pageant is in June.
June 28th, March.
Yep. No, just June 28th.
June 28th.
Yep. And that'll be Sun Divas and Dudes.
Sundavas and Dudes.
Yeah.
And also, I had school and I did go to first grade to learn some math, but I didn't go for 2 days.
Yeah. Okay.
Since
So,
the-
all right. So, anything else? 1, 2, 3. We out.
Earth.